Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to weigh and measure food. There's two different methods that I use. One is easier than the other, but check me out real quick. So I open up my FitnessPal, which is synced with TrainerEyes, okay? I'm gonna go to dinner, because we're doing dinner. The first thing that I could do to make this easy is scan item, which I got the SKU code over here. I scan the SKU code. Boom, it gives it to me. It says 4 ounces. I want to change that to grams. So I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to go to grams. And now I'm ready to weigh it. So I go, turn my scale on. I let it clear. I put the plate on it, which the plate is super heavy. I switch it to grams. That's important. Make sure you switch it to grams. And then I clear it out, right? So it's at 0 now. Now I'm ready to throw my grass-fed my grass-fed beef on there. So I got my grass-fed beef. I throw it on the plate, and I'm just going to use, for example purposes, just 3 spoonfuls. It gives me 64 grams. So now I go here, I go 64, I hit the check mark, and it computes it there, okay? So that's what my 64 grams is, 11 grams of protein, 9.6 grams of fat, and 0 carbs. Now, let's just say that I didn't have the SKU. I would just look it up. So I would look up the brand. So I'd go grass-fed. If I could type here, grass-fed, and it's gonna pop up because I used it before, the Verda Farms. I click that and I do the same process. I switch that over to grams because I want it to be more accurate. I don't recall what it said, but let's call it 64 grams, punch it in, same thing, okay? So now, to make life easy for me, what I do is I now want to weigh my rice. So I leave it there, turn the scale back on. It's gonna say it's too heavy. Give me a second, old scale, but still works very well. Clear it out. I'm sorry, switch to grams, clear it out, open up my rice, grab my spoonfuls, throw my rice on there, and now you can see that it's weighing the rice. Okay, so let's just do 2 scoops of the rice. Boom, it gives me 79 grams of rice. So now I'm going to search Jasmine. As I start typing, Jasmine rice cooked. Make sure it's cooked because my rice is cooked. So 72 grams, I switch this to grams. I go 72, and boom, there's my carbs, okay? So if I go to dinner for tomorrow, right now I have, oh, my glasses on, I have 16 grams protein, 20 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of fat. And then let's just say that I wanted to add some avocado. So here's some avocado mash. That has a SKU. So all I'm gonna do is add food. I go scan barcode. This is an easy one. Pump that up, 2 ounces, which is what this weighs. I hit check mark, and there's my dinner for tonight. That's how easy it is to weigh and measure your food.